Capone, let's go. We're going in. Come on. Come on, let's go in. Why are you getting in the back seat? Come on. Let's go get a treat. Come on, Capone. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Capone, we're not going bye-bye. We just went bye-bye. We took Dad to work. Now we're home, and we're going to go in. You really just want to sit in the car? Do you want a treat? Where's your toy? Come on, Mama wants to go back to bed. Come on. Come on, let's go get a treat. Capone, get out of the car. Come on. Wow. So I took you to work this morning, babe, and Capone will not get out of the car. Capone, Mom said right now you don't want her to get mean. Oh. Now you're starting to really make Mama mad. Come on. Come on. Gotcha. Capone's a bad boy. Now Mama has to carry him in the house because it took her 20 minutes to get him out of the car. What do you have to say for yourself? What's your deal? Wait till Mama shows Daddy this.